Fantastic DNA is a workshop delivered by Science Education and Outreach Programme Cell Explorers, where participants get to extract DNA from a banana. Normally we do this through school visits and science festivals. This year for the online Galway Science Technology Festival, we're going to have a private online virtual workshop where you can extract banana DNA from home. Using materials from your kitchen, you can follow along with the experiment. You would need 2 glasses, 1 teaspoon of salt, 100 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon, liquid soap, 1/4 of a banana, 1 sheet of kitchen paper, and 1 strand of uncooked spaghetti, or 1 toothpick or 1 paperclip. We will also send you the last component you need via post. Once you connect via the secure online app, you will be able to perform the experiment along with one of our Cell Explorers scientists. You can also ask them questions about cells, DNA, and different things about the daily life of being a scientist. Want to secure a ticket in our online workshop? This is what you have to do. Gather all the materials from your kitchen that you would need to do this experiment. Take a photo of it all together. And email the photo along with your postal address to events@galwayscience.ie.